Alright guys, if you enjoyed that combo, you can check out the first few patterns step by step up here on our YouTube channel. We do have the rest of the patterns and many more up on our website, ballroomfeed.com, so be sure to check that out. We also break this combo down on how we strung it together exactly, so that'll make it easier for you. And we do have some technique videos and some other styles up there too, so don't be afraid to check that out. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up so we know. Comment down below what your favorite waltz pattern is, or maybe your favorite dance, and we'll see you very soon. Bye.